I've searched the AliExpress for the good speakers and I found these. Edifier MR4. They're definitely best looking on the AliExpress. That carbon speaker. Well, is it carbon or Kevlar? I'm not sure. Maybe it's just for show. Who knows?
And when we close the look, on the front we do have a power knob, headphone jack, RX, and on the side, nothing. On the back, we have low bass, high, TRS, LCA, yeah, Edifier, bass, reflex.
Utterly good. I cannot believe that for less than $100 you can get such a quality speakers. They are very similar. You see those? SFS. Okay, SFS, when you crank the volume to the maximum, sounds a bit better. This is okay until it gets like 80%. Everything above 80 is getting a bit, well, distorted. But 80 is a very, very loud. You've heard like 60, maybe 70. That is utterly brilliant. I'm gonna keep those behind those monitors for my main monitor audio. Stay on. Link in the description. That's all I got. See you next video.